You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? YouTuber name for more names of YouTube celebrities that can be a bit confusing. Stay tuned. Chubbyemu. Yes, just like the animal, and emu. That would be a bit chubby, I guess. Chubbyemu. Although there's different ways of pronouncing emu. Stay tuned if you want to learn the alternative ways. But in the case of this YouTuber, he pronounces it as Chubbyemu. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.